In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on mana future while examining Decentraland cost conjecture for 2023 and past in an unpretentious manner. If it's not too much trouble, generally remember that you want to sort of think about this and any really other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since anticipating anything for the most part explicitly is an unpleasant undertaking. Generally, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Decentraland. Incredibly, presently, we should head into it, which entirely is very critical. Before we dig pretty profound into the Decentraland value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that mana for the most part is a kind of wise speculation or not. For what reason will mana truly succeed or sort of fizzle, or for what reason will Decentraland value rise or drop? We should rapidly truly toss a look at what explicitly in a real sense is mana and its to-date history, all things considered, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. What by and large sort of is Decentraland in an unpretentious manner. Established by Ari Malik and Esteban Ordano, Decentraland truly was at first sent off in 2015 as a straightforward, pixelated framework that dispensed pixels to clients through a proof-of-work calculation in an actually certainly huge manner. By 2017, the Ethereum blockchain-based programming project explicitly has developed into an undeniable 3D virtual undertaking, permitting clients to buy, fabricate, and most certainly sell computer-generated reality applications in a common virtual environment, which truly shows that established by Ari Malik and Esteban Ordano, Decentraland quite was at first sent off in 2015 as a straightforward, pixelated matrix that designated pixels to clients through a proof-of-work calculation in an unpretentious manner. With the new turn of events, clients can generally most certainly foster virtual extremely in every practical sense, land, adapt, and close out it available to be purchased, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. They can likewise truly participate in fundamentally genuinely different exercises like messing around inside the extent of the virtual world, which generally is genuinely critical. Decentraland especially really is the first of its sort, as well as one of the especially few multi-reason and multi-adaptable metaverses based on the Ethereum blockchain, which truly is very critical. The stage coordinates virtual applications as well as NFTs, showing how established by Ari Malik and Esteban Ordano, Decentraland certainly generally was at first sent off in 2015 as a straightforward, pixelated framework that distributed pixels to clients through a proof-of-work calculation, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. Mana drives Decentraland's virtual economy. So mana drives Decentraland's virtual economy in a huge manner, which is very critical. Decentraland's money entirely is mana, a very local ERC20 all things considered, extremely token with a fundamentally especially restricted supply in an actually especially significant manner. Each time a few buys an NFT, the stage consumes a level of its mana supply in an unobtrusive manner, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Non-fungible implies something extraordinary, which generally is very critical. For instance, a fine art all things considered truly is non-fungible, while money, genuinely like ether or mana, certainly is fungible in a kind of significant manner. Mana value expectation for the in every practical sense. Next 10 days, which explicitly is very critical, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The actual kind of entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an especially complete breakdown. Or so they actually by and large thought. Bitcoin, all things considered, has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a for the most part large manner. When generally add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon really is dinky, and there will sort of be basically kind of more blood in the city of the crypto town, which truly is very huge. Financial backers for the most part are selling unsafe resources and moving into kind of commonly more truly stable business sectors in an every practical sense, enormous way. Crypto entirely all plans and designs is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe explicitly in every practical sense, play, and thus the auction in a very huge manner. Our algo still sees a sum especially green in 2023, particularly in the in every way that really matters, second piece of the year, which for the most part is very huge. This generally is really reflected in our 2023 expectations, reasonably most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. At the present time, Bitcoin certainly needs to generally find a base before we can move in the especially fundamentally inverse heading and most certainly alter the course, showing how crypto in every practical sense is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous generally explicitly play, and consequently the auction in a genuinely quite enormous manner in an unpretentious manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, Altcoins will sort of begin to for the most part do likewise. We truly have seen this situation many truly in every practical sense, times in the far off and certainly later history, showing how, for instance, a work of art by and large is non-fungible, while cash, by and large, for example, ether or mana, sort of is fungible, which explicitly is genuinely critical, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation model vary is negative for the vary in every practical sense. Next 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, or so they generally thought. We in every practical sense expect whales and especially certainly other kind of certainly greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike, or so they especially thought. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each venture, which in every practical sense basically shows that financial backers, all things considered, are selling unsafe resources and moving into kind of additional sort of stable business sectors, or so they essentially thought, which really is very critical. Basics that we basically assess in a real sense, all things considered, are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative truly potential, and a few especially other pretty exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin essentially has fallen 75% from its unequaled kind of fundamentally high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in an unobtrusive manner, which certainly is genuinely critical. 2023 0130 plus 4.09% $0 7548 2023 0131 plus 9.01% $0 7905 2023 02 01 0.48% $0 7217 2023 02 02 plus 3.22% $0 7485 2023 02 03 plus 7.94% $0 7827 2023 02 04 plus 0.86% $0 7314 2023 02 05 plus 7.25% $0 7777 2023 02 06 plus 6.37% $0 7713 2023 02 07 plus 5.42% $0 7645 2023 02 08 plus 6.31% 77 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. Our expectation model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2023 proceeding. We move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023 in an extremely significant manner. 2023 Feb 3.68% $0 6985 2023 blemish plus 0.10% $0 7259 2023 APRA plus 9.13% $0 7914 2023 May plus 6.42%